Hello everyone, today we start to learn C++ programming. Yes, from beginner to advanced. Yes, today I explain you about syntax basic of C++ programming and how to print or console message to console. Yes, let's start C++ programming. For you write include library IO stream, then we include con IO dot h using namespace std function main yes, this is the basic syntax of C programming language. Yes, include library IO stream con IO using namespace. Using namespace, you must to call and set namespace for to use or statement of C programming. Yes, for the statement to show message on console, we will write cout. Yes, cout. Different from C programming. There's C programming printf, but C++ cout. You can write message hello. Yes, allow you. Yes, you can run. Yeah, we can see hello programmer. This is the way to show message on console with C++ programming. Yeah, thank you.